As construction activities intensify following the devastation caused by Hurricane Melissa, a new building code is expected for Jamaica by March 2027. Local Government and Community Development Minister Desmond McKenzie made the announcement during his contribution to the sectoral debate today. We have the details from Andrea Chisholm.
The World Bank estimates that Hurricane Melissa caused $8.8 billion of physical damage to Jamaica. People have begun to rebuild, but the aim is to build back stronger, improve standards, and increase resilience. To help make that happen, a new building code will be rolled out in this fiscal year.
A critical feature of the new building code is that buildings are to be constructed to withstand Category 5 hurricanes. There will be stronger enforcement powers for municipal corporations, mandatory compliance checks and stricter penalties for illegal construction, especially in high-risk zones, Madam Speaker.
More building officers will be employed as the Finance Ministry has approved the revised establishment. Between January and March this year, close to 1,400 building applications were submitted, valuing $68.8 billion.
More people are applying for building permits to ensure that structural integrity of their projects. The most significant increase of 11% was in building applications for small residential development under 300 square meters in size.
And amidst constant complaints about poor garbage collection, the National Solid Waste Management Authority is pushing to collect waste every 7 to 10 days.
Last year alone, the agency served over 2,000 anti-litter tickets. Over 9,000 removals were issued. Is a problem that we have and is a problem that we must deal with. And that is why the NSWMA has a special education program in this financial year at a cost of over $200 million that will be used to sensitize the country as it relates to our garbage problems. And I am hoping that we will get the buy-in of every member of this House.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.